Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix lock screen widgets not working on iPhone. With the release of iOS 16, Apple introduced lock screen widgets to let you design the lock screen using eye-catching widgets. Apart from letting you dig up the iPhone lock screen, the widgets allowed you to track important information like weather updates, battery percentage and more. Unfortunately, the lock screen widgets are not working on iPhone for some users. Hence, I thought it would be a great to talk about some handy tips to fix the iPhone lock screen widgets not working properly. So, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to restart iPhone. Most of the time can be fixed by restarting the iPhone. The burdened iOS system can cause a wide range of issues on your iPhone, like top widgets not working on iOS 17. So you need to restart your iPhone to give the iOS system a simple refresh. To restart your device, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to make sure to remove the restrictions. If the lock screen widgets are not showing on your iPhone, ensure that the widgets have not been blocked. Then you have to do is remove the widget and re-add them to the lock screen. If the widgets still do not work on your iPhone lock screen, remove the widgets and re-add them to lock screen. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on the iPhone screen and you will see an option plus icon. Simply tap on it and from here you can simply re-add your widgets. After this, then you have to do is disable your low power mode. Low power mode is designed to extend the battery life of your iPhone by either disabling or pausing background activities. If you have enabled this power saving mode, it might be affecting the functionality of dynamic widgets. So you have to open the settings and scroll down and go to the battery. You have to make sure that the low power mode option is disabled on your iPhone. After trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset network settings. If the cellular connections continues to ill function, try resetting the network settings. If the lock screen widgets are unable to show real-time information due to poor internet connection, it may help fix it. So you have to open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix lock screen widgets not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.